So you click next, agree, and this is the first thing you need to change. It should be for all users, unless you're not admin on your machine, because this is going to require admin privileges. You get just me. If you have a work computer, or if it's not your computer, if it's your computer, it's a very good idea to put all users, and also a very good idea to select. I normally like to remove this thing, so that I like installing it in C dot two dots / Anaconda 3. If it's Windows, okay, Linux, leave it where it is, and Mac, leave it where it is. Okay, so next, that's not empty, so I can't go to that. So I'm gonna put Anaconda 2B because I already have it. I'm not gonna finish because I already have it. So just next, and you have to add these two options. And because it's as you are an admin, that will make your life easier going forward. So Python will work from anywhere, and you can call it from anywhere. So if you don't do that, you're only gonna have to use Python in a different way. Okay, so then you go in and install it. I'm not